Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, stimulus is coming. Don't know how fast, but it sounds like it's going to be coming soon. If not before, it will be right after the first of the year, it sounds like. They're saying Joe Biden and Mitch McConnell are working together on a stimulus bill, and they both think they can reach a deal very soon. That is, if Trump don't do it in the lame duck session. And I don't look for that to happen because, well, it just ain't going to happen. So if Biden and McConnell can reach a deal, we should see stimulus hopefully by the end of January or the 1st of February. But hopefully even before that. Now, will Trump pass this before Biden and McConnell works on it and gets it passed? I don't think he will, because remember what he said. He said that he does not want the last thing that he does in office to be passing a $2 trillion spending bill. He wants that to fall at the feet of Joe Biden. So don't look for Donald Trump to pass this like he said he would. He said right after the elections, when he's reelected, he would pass it. I don't think he will. Because even if he wanted to, he couldn't do it. He's tried to do it before, and he can't get the agreement through the House and the Congress, the House and the Senate. And he needs their approval before he can do anything. So even if he had every intention of doing it, I don't think he can. So Joe Biden is going straight to work on it like he said he would. So we have to give that to him. And whether you like Joe Biden or not, it looks like he will be our next president. All votes are not counted yet. We don't know yet if he is going to be our next president. All indication shows that he is. And if he is, we got to give him the support that he needs. That was Donald Trump's biggest downfall. He did not have support from the Senate or the House. And a lot of people didn't support him. So we have to work together on this, y'all, or else we'll never get nothing done. We have to pull together as a nation. A divided house will not stand, and we are divided. We need to come together as a nation and give support to our leaders, especially when you see they are trying, and it looks like Joe Biden and Mitch McConnell is trying right now. So we have to give them benefit of the doubt, and let's see. Now, I know we've all heard this before, that it's coming soon, and it hadn't came, but this is a whole new show now, so maybe something good will happen. We know Nancy Pelosi will be more likely to agree now because she has lost a lot of bargaining power. So agreement from her is more likely because she is getting pressure from both sides now. She's even getting pressure from her own people to get something passed, or else they're going to boot her out of the Speaker of the House. And she don't want that. So she's going to be a little bit more lenient when it comes to what she wants. We can only hope and pray. Y'all, God will see us through this. I know he will. He's always got us through worse situations than this. God works miracles every day. I'm a living testament of that. Y'all, say a prayer for our country. Say a prayer for our leaders. Whether you like our leaders or not, they need prayer. Say a prayer for people that's been touched by COVID. Say a prayer for people that's been touched by the actions of our government, that God will put his healing hand on everyone. Y'all, I love you all, and this does look good. It looks like stimulus is coming. We can only hope. I love you all. Please watch the video that's popping up here now. Subscribe to my channel, leave me a thumbs up, and leave your comments. Ciao.